What's up, guys? So today is a cool day. I'm actually going to be working on some visual stuff for the car, which I haven't done in a long time. As you can see, it looks like garbage. But in this video, what I really want to get done is I want to get like the hood latches all set up. I have a new rear bumper that doesn't look like crap that's going to go on the rear. I might actually even plug one of the exhaust ports and just run 3-inch single, because I'm not really feeling the dual exit, but we'll cross that bridge when you get to it. And then, as you can see in the background, my wing finally came in. This is a Foresight wing that I ordered from Japan in November of 2017, and I'm just now getting it. Yeah, and it's January 2019. I don't know, should I just shut out how shit this company is? I'm not gonna name names, but there's a pretty reputable importer guy in New England, and he's a total douchebag, so that's why it's so late. And then I'm gonna replace that garbage bumper with a actually genuine version. I don't know if it's genuine, but I'm sure it is. It feels like it is.
Oh, it's a hell of a lot nicer.
That actually fits and doesn't have garbage exhaust cutouts. They're actually like flanged and not cut. So I'm gonna get to that. But first I'm gonna put that wing on because I am dying to get this on the car. Distance of the holes, and it's actually right where this other hole was for a previous spoiler. The hole actually won't line up here. It's gonna end up being a little lower, but I measured it out and made the 2 marks. So I'm gonna line up that wing and I'm gonna kind of trace around it, and that way I can kind of mark where the holes are gonna go. Or I might just actually measure off of the corner. That might be the easiest way. And then I can measure off the corner here in both directions and drill the holes. That's probably gonna be what I do. We'll see. It'll probably just be mounted the next time you see it, because I don't know if I'm gonna film much. Up where the holes are gonna go, and I'm just gonna drill them out real quick and see if it fits. I'm obviously gonna make these a little bigger than they need to be. I have a little bit of extra room, so that should be good. But that wing is on there now. It is rigid as hell. The one thing that I was not expecting is, I mean, not only does it look amazing, but like the wing flows into the over fender. It's almost like on a stock body, it wouldn't look as good. Like there's just that line is just, I can't even, like if you back up, like it looks like it all flows perfectly together. Besides the bumper, it's all wonky, but that's gonna be replaced very soon. I am beyond stoked. This thing is on there. There's like a cool little gap to the body, and then like, oh man, I'm stoked. I am super stoked. Tech, can you shut the hatch for me? Watch, yeah, just move this stuff. Yeah, you can leave it like that, that's fine. Oh boy. I can't get over that wing. It's so cool and unique, and it just makes the car look so much better. That just made the car, literally made.
Yes.
I'm super stoked. Although this bumper is in much better shape and it's got these nice cutouts, it was on a rotary car and they tend to melt things. So obviously this is gonna need a little bit of body work here, just a little sanding and a little fill. It's actually pretty strong still. There isn't much damage other than some paint bubbles, but all this is coming off anyway, so I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna try to fit it and see how much more work I have to do. The biggest difference is it has this section here where my old kit just had that missing. So that reflector bit's gonna be gone, which I'm actually really happy about. So, and I'm gonna definitely fill all these holes in because I'm not gonna need any of them, but I just wanna see what I have to do to fit it. So let's see how it goes. Super stoked is it actually has the studs. So to guide it right into place, goes right there. The rib nuts I have are lower, so they're gonna like pull this in because it kind of wants to pop out, which should work. But now that everything fits well, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it dual or what. Because basically what I want to do is ditch the muffler, because I have this giant muffler. One, it makes it too quiet, and two, it hangs way too low. And I was thinking of just going straight 3-inch all the way back. But what I might do is just leave the Y and just ditch the muffler and put a Y in there, and then maybe put some bigger tips, because it's 2.5 inch back here, which is more than 3 when you combine them, obviously. But what do you guys think? Drop it below. I know the tips are crooked, which I'll get fixed. Should I leave it dual, or should I cover that hole and do a single? I'm leaning toward dual. I'm really liking the way this looks, but I don't know. I change my mind all the time. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to locate where the other riv nuts are. I can't think of it. Oh, you know what I could do, Ted? I could put some hardware in there with some grease, put the bumper on, and then take it and drill from the inside out.
Yeah.
That'd be really easy. I'm going to do that. Cool. I took some of the hardware and put it through the old riv nuts, and I put some fuel RTV on it because it's like really sticky and blue. And then I put the bumper on and kind of pushed it until I felt it touch the bolts. And then I drilled there, and it lined up pretty good. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so I could have used these holes, but what happened was the bumper kind of like hangs out a lot. So I used the old ones that I had in there already. And what that does is actually, as I tighten this bolt, it kind of tucks in the bumper, and it gives it like a little spring, because this is actually not all the way in, but the bumper's got so much spring pressure, it just kind of holds itself there. So I'm pretty stoked with that. Lines up nice with the side skirt now. And like, just looks so good. See, as compared to the old bumper, this one actually has like a straight line. It's not just a floppy noodle.
No, it does something.
I'm genuinely stoked on this. So now I just gotta figure out, do I stick with the dual or do I go single? But just the new like look of the rear end is just so nice. Oh, I'm so hyped. I can't wait till the car is the color of that panel. It's just all that aqua color. It's gonna look, oh. Can you imagine, Ted? Can you even imagine?
Not even at all.
Ted and I are taking off for the night, but when I come back, I'm gonna take care of these guys. I need to get some new hole saws for that. And maybe some new hardware, because I think I kind of damaged them putting them in the other hood. But yeah, I'd really like to get those latches on there. I also really want to get like a D-Max style hood vent. I just have to snag one off eBay. They make like rivet-on ones. So that'll just bring the whole car together. But god damn, that wing looks good. All right, see you guys soon.